you're an outlaw. Okay.
Now you're in the game. Now you know how the game works. And what I like to say, and what I'm trying to do with the book is, once you realize how the magician does the trick, then it's very, very hard to be fooled by the magician again. And so we're exposing how the magician does the trick. I'm a voluntarist, and all that a voluntarist means is that someone that believes that all human relationships should be voluntary, that nobody should have the ability to use violence or extortion or force on anybody else. Then it doesn't matter if there's 4 of us or 250 million of us. You can't, no magical additional person makes something that is immoral and illogical now moral and logical just because the majority of people, the mob, outnumbers its victims. It doesn't make that desirable.
Your book, honest to God, blew my mind.
The book has been designed to take your friends, your relatives, and your neighbors from kind of 0 to 60 in a very, very short amount of time, leveraging the fact that most people are visual learners. And so in the book, I'm doing a lot with visualizations that make what was invisible visible, so that when your friends and your family and neighbors can see what that control structure looks like, and they see it with their own eyes, they come to a deeper understanding.
I thought that we were all working towards a common goal, and I've been lied to. Okay, yep. We have no protected rights.
Once you give a minority of society the ability to make up rules for everybody and steal the wealth of others, and they get a pass from morality, and they get an exemption from morality, and they have the ability to use violence on peaceful people, they're going to rob you. And we're being robbed. There's trillions of dollars that are missing. We've got an organized crime problem.
So they're still playing the game. We know they're playing the game. Now we have to do something about it to replace them with the people that have the voice.
You literally have broken the chains. It gives you hope that we can literally live in harmony with each other without any fear of the slavery shit that we're in now.
We, the people, are in control of our own destiny.
I see it as a revolution that's only going in one direction. I'm very, very optimistic. I think we're going to win the whole thing.
Honest to God, we are. I've been, anxiety and stress the last 18 months because I couldn't see a pattern. I couldn't see it. For the last 2-3 months, it's starting to form, and God bless you, man, with people like you breaking those walls down. It's information that breaks open the skulls, and that's what you're doing to me. Good God.
If there wasn't this, crooked, organized crime middleman standing in the middle, shuffling money out the back door, if everybody got their money back, then everybody in the country would be dramatically, dramatically wealthier. And we would have more than enough surplus available to deal with the poor, the needy, and the disadvantaged. And in fact, when you're spending directly your own money with these charities that really do make an impact, where you've got your eye on the results in a way that, is not happening, it's a much more logical system. It's a much more efficient system. And I like to call it the only ism that's fair for everybody.
We look at standard words and not really what the meanings they are. Like uniform. You're becoming one form. Control of the mind.
Has it been a control system for managing human populations since the beginning? That realization is coming like a freight train to the rest of society.
Get ready to have your minds blown.